everyone, I'm Kathleen Hansen and you found my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. If you want to sing better, there are vocal warmups and exercises you can do to improve your voice. The same way a coach can help athletes work on different drills, strength, flexibility to improve skills, voice teachers can help you know which exercises you can do to improve your singing skills. To begin, correct breathing and alignment is imperative. If you'd like to know more about breathing, you can check out my video linked above and in the About section below. For now, open up the front of your body and sit or stand in a way that feels tall but relaxed. Take a couple of low, slow breaths and feel your abdomen release and expand naturally on the inhale. Go ahead and sigh out. And do it one more time. Make sure that we're not lifting the shoulders or adding tension as we breathe in. I like to start vocal warm-ups with some semi-occluded work. This helps to balance breath pressure. Let's sing on a v sound like v. Here we go. Lip trills, sometimes called bubbling, are great exercises for ensuring steady airflow and relaxation. If you can't do a lip trill, keep working on them, but you can also do a tongue trill or a rolled R. Let's sing the following pattern. Here we go. Bright vowels like E help our vocal folds to be very efficient. We want them to close fully during the vibratory cycle and not have places where air leaks through. If your voice sounds airy, this could be a reason why. So we're going to sing on an E like E, 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 E. This doesn't need to be pretty, but try not to add too much tension in the process. Here we go. E, 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 E. E, 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 E. E, 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 E. sure that you know that I've published a mobile app that is full of some of my best vocal warm-ups and exercises. It's available on the App Store and in the Google Play Store. It's commercial free and it has an option to save your favorites for offline use. I hope you'll check it out. I've gotten great feedback on it and it's a really great way to support me if you've gotten value from my work here. Moving on from that E exercise, we're going to sing on E-A like E-A. This can be a rather vigorous exercise. Again, we're focusing on efficiency. Give it a try. Change octaves during any of these exercises so that it best suits your voice and how warmed up you're feeling right now. But it's also a great idea to explore the edges of your range. Now let's open up to a more gentle E sound. It will be a little bit warmer and taller. We're going to sing on E, E, A, gliding into the last note like E, and go. Check in now for any excess tension that may have crept in. And let's focus on really relaxing the voice by relaxing the throat and the jaw and the tongue. We're going to sing on a sighing feeling on the sound saw, like saw and Retaining some of that relaxed sigh in the voice, let's descend on ya, 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 ya. Covering a little bit more range now, we're going to move to a hum, then to an O and an aw, like keep checking in with tongue and jaw to avoid any averse tension. Here we go. Let's move on now to a little bit more flexibility. We're going to sing on ni, ne, na, no, nu. Like ni, ne, na, no, nu. Give it a try. Ni, ne, na, no, nu. 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 Let's do a few sirens and glides on a few different sounds. Feel free to stick with me or go at your own pace. Let's finish up with a bit of range work on a full octave arpeggio. We'll sing on Oh How I Love to Sing. Allow these vowels to be round and the airflow to be steady. It sounds like this. Oh how I love to sing and go. Oh how I love to sing. 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 side down. If you want to make sure to not miss any of my videos, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. When you do that, it really does help my channel, and you won't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much for singing with me. I hope your voice is feeling great. I'll see you next time.